Okay. When I look into your eyes, it's like watching the night sky or a beautiful sunrise. Well, there's so much they hold, just like the both stars. I see that you've come so far. Be right where you are. How old is your soul? I won't give up on us, even if the sky get rough. I've given you all my love. I'm still looking up and read your little face to feel so navigating. I'll be here patiently waiting, see what you find. 'Cause even the stars they burn, don't even fall to the earth. We've got a lot to learn. God knows we're worth it. No, I won't give up. I don't wanna be someone who walks away so easily. I'm here to say it makes a difference that I can't make. Our differences, they do a lot to teach us how to use the tools to just yeah, we got a lot at stake. And in the end, you're still my friend. At least we didn't tip for us the work we didn't break, we didn't burn. We had to learn how to bend without the world caving in. I had to learn what I've got and what I'm not and who I am. I won't give up on us, even if